Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by choosing an image that matches your display resolution so it won't blur when stretched. Once chosen, save a copy in a dedicated folder so you can revert or resize later. Now open your system's personalization or right-click the desktop and select background. This immediately loads the controls you need. Make sure Quick Preview is enabled so you can see changes live, and keep the original file handy for cropping or creating alternate sizes. You now refine how the image appears. Crop or resize to the display's aspect ratio to preserve composition, using double size for high DPI displays. Then choose a positioning mode, fill for full coverage, fit to preserve all edges, or center if you want margins. If you have multiple monitors, decide whether to set the wallpaper per display or span one image across them. Adjust alignment and check for seam mismatches. Once set, preview at native resolution and tweak the crop or scaling until it looks balanced. Apply the change and immediately inspect each monitor to confirm correct alignment and sharpness. Once satisfied, save the configuration as a theme or export the settings so you can restore them later. If the wallpaper doesn't change or appears pixelated, clear the display cache and restart the Shell or File Explorer. This resolves most stuck previews. If problems persist, check file permissions and GPU scaling settings, then reapply. Those steps clear the remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.